Nonton baru tak kira Ouch Pelangi Show.
Alright.
Midweds.
Huh?
Midweds.
Oh, julum.
Yeah, early Wednesday morning, a big Mbulabenaka to those tuning in from your car, coming to work in this early morning of the Wednesday, and you are experiencing the, what you call the traffic.
The botoka.
The motor car.
Warna apa mau?
Tama experience the botoka. Hey, mulai nakatik sa Longabatu and the people from Lumi. Lumi Kukangari, Imbo from Nandawa, Tix Longabatu and the family. Send regards to Boliti, Nanda Kuladi to Rafia. To the Sobas from Lami Coronao and Nabilang Yokata and the passengers, thank you very much for joining this morning. And not forgetting the Leo Kavika, Eponess, all every morning, tuning from Auckland in New Zealand, in the beautiful island of Lutu from Wenimbuka in Naitasiri. Leo Kavika,
Beautiful island.
Ngo Tuya Tukuka, Boilaka Rotabale, thank you very much. Esungkoda Buniwai and the family, not forgetting Paul Buniwai from Auckland, from New Zealand.
Where is it?
Here, Auckland.
Oh, okay.
Auckland is from the Blues team. Yeah. Sebagai tambua, nonggu dorobo le meki na paita bitu na interhouse ni sila central na stadium mo Suba.
Okay.
Keto barong bimbingo me keto le sarangito Fifi Rosa ora tu Manasa. O sebana ya junior tinay tako lima tay budiraw na sebana ya ngere tambosin yang nganggo.
Right.
Toso ndu yang baki toso.
Jina. The Mbulabenaka to those tuning in on the VTFM TikTok live. 5 followers tuning in this morning. Mbulabenaka, thank you so much. Double tap, guys. And don't know hat no swan. And
iya, vani ni minata tunga be Selina. Lala komadoi.
Right.
Nona prefect induction ni ko na Super Primary School. Tamay Makelina.
All the best.
And all the salute.
Iya.
All the prison officer.
Right.
Thank you. Oh, another one is coming.
Who's?
Eldest son of Wekola Ketabua. Wekola ni matani singa Ketabua now here. To Cody. Wait, not forgetting. Cody Tuinet. USP ke Lily Grammar. YC USP ke Lily Grammar. To siya matoko mengo. Nanaru.
Mbulabenaka.
Luke Brian Buni Sasaka, and Rabinak kena ikina ba urango nalawa, ndrekei, amul ale nga nakorba urango mburni u, may nalawa may raba bimbi ube ya father. No, this is father from there. Father Tabondi and the family from Mburni Unalawara, and not forgetting from Ombu Inra.
See, like this, if you join the father, we can call you. Also dedicate this song to Father Demis Kakaya.
Julum.
The problem is, you go and you see the right path and you follow the left one.
No, the right path is there. Boy, this is not the long. Atap kuno tua bisamu.
Long form
gor na pambalamu.
Don't anak kono gori.
Don't anak kono gori. It will be there. It is in someone's plan. Up above. This morning. You have to believe in yourself. And be prosper in life.
Boy, I want to thank the people in New Zealand. The Super Rugby last week. You know that video, the prank call video, They put it in the poster and watching the game.
The Super Rugby.
The Super Rugby.
Right.
They send up the photo. Ooh, one time, I want to ask them. One time they have to in one big poster. They draw this small fella.
Who's?
Use.
Who gave the permission to draw my face?
Obviously, you can be don't do.
Who gave you the permission to draw my face or the card?
You have a nice face.
Nice face ko rin ng bata ni
And then
Jay Moy.
On top written like this. Vote. Vote.
Donald Trump.
Ano ba ka Jay Moy o Joe Matthew?
Alright.
Doon ano ba na sila na matang ko Kaito Low Cyrus B2 Nation. Mo di ba ka contract nga Von Ramba mo di na via South Flyer. Mo di ba ka na buribito ka na matang ko. Okay. Tapi talo ta man na nguna ko takataw sikir ba luto mo ko. Ano to talo sa ramatang ko.
Din saranga.
Please take us back to the village.
Iya.
Nambuni kanta
When you was a priest.
Iya. Kita ada
Not yet priest, not
Oi.
yet priest. Only leadership sebelu taking ay pandiluto.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ano siya ko ay nunuraran ba?
Iya.
Right.
Pero kung rototok nambuni kanta mo.
Iya, mulre.
Kita sa ano siya na namatay ni kuha.
Right.
I would like to say good morning to all the villages in Wainunu.
May.
Okay.
Saolo, Nakawakawa, Kadam,
Yeah.
Ndaria, Nakorotiki,
Yeah.
Dongea, Nabakasali, Nandua, Batiniburuai,
Yeah.
Nakambuta, and all the state, all the villages there. From Tarangilongilo, Wainibesi, Ndombula Benaka, Tombuni Sesere,
Yeah.
and not forgetting Ndawandingo,
Yeah.
to Ndabutu. Thank you very much for joining. Nakoro Lebu,
Yeah.
Nebu Ebu.
Bulu Benaka,
Thank you
Bulu
very much for
Benaka.
joining.
John Saft and
this
Rabnak.
morning.
Yeah. Tell us the story.
Mburo Konduna.
Yeah.
This is a story, it's a...
True
it's
story.
A true story. When I was in school,
Iya.
my dream is to become a priest,
Right,
to become a father,
Yeah.
to become a...
Leader in the church.
Iya, to become a... Mundo...
What?
Nebangatakin na
Yeah.
God's...
Yeah.
Nakatakan ikalu.
Right.
Sharing the good news.
Iya.
This is the evil spirit.
Yeah, that's coming together.
What's that?
I was started in the secondary school, like Form 1,
Yeah.
the prefect,
Yeah,
We don't, nakakunin daw better na konsono job lalay.
What
English,
Don't
English.
ever
English,
underestimate
English,
some responsibility, small responsibility
Like-
that given to you from school,
Right.
from home.
Yeah.
Right.
That small responsibility
Yeah.
will lead you, will
Yeah.
guide you, will elaborate you
Right.
To the big ones.
to the big ones.
Yeah.
Right.
The small job like a form prefect,
Right.
a class prefect,
Right. School
village
patrol.
village leader baka mo daw ulita karton nangon mena koro.
Right, yeah. Di na
It's
sa-
like
di na
that.
sa. True.
So from there,
Yeah.
I start to
Evolve.
I love
Yeah.
evolve ko rin naman ge. Evolution.
Yeah.
I start to like walking in at home.
The
Yeah.
interest start.
Either interest.
starting.
At home,
Yeah.
my mom
Yeah.
used to. I don't do any job like my job nga is take the pig's food.
Yeah.
Do baka na buwak nga matagilay.
Job sa nga.
Iyo. Eat na ko ni Dinro. Take it to their home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then come back. Karina new.
Yeah.
Kaya pakita sin tabi I got time.
Yeah.
If no, I'll go and ring the bell.
Tapos ni Way Tabo Ano ba naka?
Saan din na?
Yeah, ring the bell every morning.
Oy.
Not every morning, only Sunday.
Iyo.
Sunday school I go and ring ng gita. Ndo lingiring na kima minangwan.
Saan
din na?
From there,
Yeah.
going back to school.
Iyo.
That one time is in When coming back,
Iyo.
they chose me to lead the youth
Uy!
at the village. And father Aquila Tambolo from the mast and the family.
Right.
Not father, to the driver,
Yeah.
the passion and Makasiali.
Aha.
From there, they chose me to a leader, like the youth in the village.
Iyo.
From there, they chose me again to come to Suva for the South Pacific
Game.
meeting,
Uy.
like the Synod.
Iyo.
The Synod meeting, the Diocese of Polynesia
Iyo.
in the South Pacific to come from Bonwaliv.
So you the leader
Isa,
from
Rip
Representative.
Yeah.
Rep eh?
Yeah, rep. Rip to Marika.
Yeah.
There's one fella from Naviavia that time we come together.
Uy, sa...
Myself and Marika. And this
Iyo.
one passed away in the cell from Sabu Sabu just last year.
He's the one.
This the one Marika.
Uy.
Oy!
Marika Randua.
Uy.
We come together
Uy!
on that time.
Iyo.
So we was here and they teach me if you want to come here,
Yeah.
you got the
Talent.
you can buy valut.
Yeah.
Uy!
So I start doing this from the village, Musando Vilutaki.
Yeah.
We go together with father. Before then,
Yeah.
we used to do the same.
Right.
Vaisulu Taron Kanrala and
Right.
the Kabelta is Anglican Church.
Anglican.
Okay, okay,
Ano
okay.
ba
go.
sama ni Anglican?
We going up, right up. Then
Yeah.
from that time,
Ubi tumbo na re-reborn sa mga matali ko.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Wambulta nga ba Bishop Henry Bull
Yeah.
from Enriquetti. At that time, they okay, come.
Yeah.
You will be the one.
Yeah.
From there, you'll be nominated from your
Sekta.
not sector.
Kan was-was eh.
Nawasiwasi.
Right.
Who will be coming from Saint Timothy.
Uy.
That our church name,
yeah.
Our Nathan Lut. Saint Timothy. So there we take it to the bishop level.
Sentiment din ng muli ka dam.
Namurikadam.
Ay.
So from there we take it to the this name is being from this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Messi. So from that time going there stay ba tabi tumai bunau pelo take ba.
Bunau.
Ina you there? Kake mgabe wase.
Very good, very good.
Nice.
From there we coming here for we go back. And we going to Nandongo.
Right.
Maduata. Nandongo Maduata the Kaunrobe. We going there. From there in that video we go to Nukilau Naposa for my sister's wedding.
Right.
Then from there we come there, that door is open here at the Rotolundo Modurude.
No wonder you're preaching in the Auspaling show.
No.
So when did Satan hang you?
You know, Satan was thrown from the above.
Where did you meet Satan?
Satan is sitting in front of me right now. There are two Satan. We only know one Satan was thrown from the above. Now we can see in the real life. Pero sa may bulot na tamatango. Kung wala namin Indonesia sa may Netherlands.
Now your cross. Anjir makandira.
And you can see right now. Don't ever. Rongo, kaya baru tumay ng boso ni Kampan yongo. Pero sa basakay.
Very nice.
They're evolving now. Nina tingoro na sinimbulu. Biur lain biutu na museum. Melay bakare itu ni manuman. Yo, ni mode.
Ya mana may piloto. Rosot mama kay Satan.
Ambon to
Moko chika sarana. Hakte ko sarana Satan.
Saan to pinakasarto ka man pa madala may piloto kan raw ko na tay pata lebih para. Andon to sarto ka babi nakala pa matala may piloto raw ko na tay lebih para. Sampai tinggi busar kami nonton memang maluan nawa ini mata. Kena pakai lemai. Tunggu tali menanden dari nasar-sar. Kenapa lebu? Oke, nanda tama-tengah itu kan nanda malu-malumu.
Naka.
Nanda tinggal mana bisa ya bikin.
Kenapa lebu?
Itu kan amsa tama-tama. Sekali.
Iya.
Tataka. Ini orang TikTok ni mata ini kuat. Dia
Kuat.
baru sarre lihat tol sanggup muka bahar sar. Ampau dia dari tuan le santai di tukang minggu.
Kenapa lebu?
Kenapa lebu sar? Pada dia bilang tiani.
Enta tama-tengah itu kan nanda malu-malumu enta sesangat tunga menta to soy liu. Kakun yung ude, kaya ta nabi bato boleh ko batini. So boleh apa kantonan raw. Never underestimate yourself, never look down on you. Believe in yourself and hope.
Bro boleh besar betisel lah.
Kalau kata.
Lia so di pani kita boleh besar bitokan na matang di kuah. Nay narapele ya tu.
Woi, kau dah bilang apa kita tu kawan TikTok, kira sar cuma TikTok. Nama lebu sar, nama lebu.
Dombula.
Karena kaya kita sangat meni marau.
Iya ndina.
Meni bawa marau tak itu nama tak ini kuah.
Tablo hakila ano na brother. Andre fada.
Bilisenia.
Langa kali. Oh sister girl. Do yang resaka, do yang benak. Udah balik, benak. Koko tuno.
Atu kuna kanggon nebo lukar na bau. Keto be keto sada ba.
Baru nak.
Hatta kan guys seta kan on the live. Seta ka malebu, seta ka babu nga say many times and have a blessed day.
Kau kurmundu.
Ya Mika